Hello, it's great to see you again. I understand that you're interested in selling your home, but you're not sure where to start or even how to price your home to sell. You don't want to overprice your home and chase buyers away, nor do you want to underprice your home and leave money on the table at closing. So where's the balance point in all this? What is your best source of information for what homes are currently selling for in your area? Better yet, for homes similar to yours. What is the average price of a home in your market? How do you find out? Does the type of market play an important role in pricing of your home? Is your head spinning yet? All these are great questions that you need to know the answer to when pricing your home. So guess what today's subject is? That's right, pricing home, and we'll get into it right after this. Hi, I'm Bob Weibrecht, a Missouri licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty Gundaker in St. Louis, Missouri. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to receive notifications when I publish new videos. I publish new videos every Wednesday, and you don't want to miss a thing. So when pricing a home, what is the best source of information for you? Is it to check a major national real estate website for their guesstimate on your home's value? Would it be to check with your neighbor for what they bought their house for in your neighborhood 5 years ago and price it accordingly? Maybe you should check with a local real estate professional who can advise you to current market conditions and what homes are selling for in your area, especially homes like yours. Pricing a home to sell in today's market by using one or more of the national real estate websites which can show you an estimated value for your home. This sounds perfect to many because they can't believe what these sites say their home is worth. These websites claim to use a complicated algorithm to price your home based upon the market information that they have access to. In some areas, it can be close because they have access to all available data. What do I mean by that? Here in the St. Louis market, sold data is not available to these major national real estate websites. Other cities such as Chicago, Illinois, it appears to be available, so this solution doesn't work for all. Even if you were so inclined to research the possible estimated value on your home by visiting multiple national real estate websites, you will undoubtedly find a different value on each one. Why is that? It's simple. They all have their own proprietary algorithm which they use to calculate what they believe your home's value to be. So how can you find a more accurate valuation of your home? Well, there's at least two possible choices for you. One way is to contact a local certified home appraiser through a lending institution in your area. The problem with this is that when it comes to appraised value versus market value. Now you're thinking, aren't these the same? Well, in most cases, probably not. Appraised value is the amount mortgage lenders are willing to loan on your home, whether you're refinancing or to purchase. Market value, simply put, is what buyers are willing to pay for your home. This is why appraised value versus market value can be different. And to muddy the waters even more, assessed value for real estate tax purposes is different still. So appraised value versus assessed value versus market value are all different values for the same home or property. This is enough to really make your head spin. A better choice would be to contact someone who has access to the local real estate market stats, and that would be your local real estate professional. Your local real estate professional has access to all the real estate market listings and the housing market data. They will present a detailed report of listings that have been on the market in your immediate area which are comparable to yours. Usually it will be listings that are structurally similar to yours, such as two-story listings to two-story listings, split foyer listings to split foyer listings, single-story listings 2 single-story listings. These are listings that are as close to the subject property as possible. Apples to apples comparison. This report is called Comparative Market Analysis, or CMA. It is the real estate market statistics for your home and is a moment in time. I say this because the real estate market is always changing. The CMA can be broken down into categories such as actives, contingents, or pendings, and closed. Depending on your market, this may be a few weeks or up to a year in the past. It may also show off-market listings so you can get a feel for what has transpired on the market. So what are each of these categories? Actives. These are the homes that are currently available on the market. Most home buyers will compare your home to these. Contingent and pending listings. These are listings that are under contract but haven't closed or sold yet. Their list price or strike price represents a price that encourages the buyers to make an offer. Contingent means there are a few things that need to be cleared up, such as the buyer's home loan or inspections. Pending means all things have been cleared up and they're waiting to close. Closed listings are listings that the buyer and seller have come to an agreement on and have closed or sold from the market. These listings tell us what a buyer is willing to pay for a home. They are the best gauge of the market. Off-market listings such as expires, withdrawals, and canceled. These prices represent what a seller wished they could have sold for, but buyers did not perceive these homes to be of value. For whatever reason, these homes did not sell. Everyone wants as much money for their home as they can get. That's totally understandable. The problem is, if you overprice your home, the right buyers may never see it because it's out of their price range. Likewise, if the higher priced buyers view your home and see that it doesn't have as much to offer as the homes in their chosen price range, they may not place an offer either. While we are here, there are several factors which do not factor into the list price of your home. 1. What you originally paid for the home. 2. Needed proceeds, that is, the net proceeds you want or need to make the move. 3. Opinions, what your friends or neighbors say your home is worth. And 4. The cost of improvements or updates, dollar for dollar, in your home list price. In my experience, one of the first questions buyers usually ask me before viewing a listing is, how long has it been on the market? To answer that question, I check the CDOM here in the St. Louis market. What is a CDOM, you ask? It is cumulative days on market. This tells me how long a listing has been on the market. If the CDOM is high, their next question may be, why has it been on the market so long? Or is there anything wrong with the house? For a home to stay on the market too long, depending on current market conditions, the buyer will probably take this into account and make a lower priced offer than what the seller is asking. This is not a good place to be. Pricing your home correctly to the market will get it sold quickly and save you both time and money. Time, in that your home will sell quickly and you can get to where you wish to be. Money, that can be saved because of reduced carrying costs for the seller. Huh? You're probably thinking, what is carrying cost on my home? The carrying costs in real estate I'm referring to are the utilities, home maintenance, real estate taxes, homeowner association fees, homeowners insurance, and other costs associated with owning and maintaining your home. If you add up all these costs, you may find out it's costing you more to be on the market for a long time than you thought. So now you know the third step in selling your home, pricing your home for sale. But do you know anything about how to list your home for sale? That's next time. Make it a great day.